In this lesson, we will discuss about string and we will see some examples with it. So let's begin. First, I want to show you the functions or the importance of backslash on Python or with string. So let's say my channel name is Tech Lingo Hub. Then let me add another sentence like used to watch it. So if I want to, if I run this string as it is, like if I run this, all of this string will be printed in a single line right here. But if I want to print this part in a separate line, I'm gonna use backslash then the letter n. So if I run this, here is the result. I can print these two strings or these two sentences in a separate line. The other importance of this backslash is to cut some word or phrase. Let's cut I used to. So I'm gonna use backslash in both sides, sorry. So if I print this I used to will be undercut. Look at this. Here's the result. My channel name is Tech Lingo Hub, and this part is, I think this one is visible to you. This one is undercut. So this is how you can use backslash to cut. What if you want to print backslash as it is, or at the middle of string, you're gonna use, there are a lot of options for this section or for this part. I'm gonna use like double backslash. In this case, if I use double backslash, single backslash will be printed like this. Here we go. This is how you can print single backslash when you are working with string. The other thing that I wanna discuss through is that you can print string with a quotation like by using variables, as we already discussed. Let's say name equals John. If I print name, then John will be print. It is how you can print strings by using variables. So the other thing, let me add another variable here, school. Then school equals like Tech Lingo Hub, Tech Lingo Hub, Tech Lingo Hub. If I want to make all the variable will be school. If I want to make all the letters inside this name, inside the name Tech Lingo Hub, I'm gonna use, if I want to make all the letters uppercase, I'm gonna use dot upper. So when I print, the result will be in all the uppercase. Here's the result. Since all are in the uppercase. So if I want to make all the letters inside this name, inside my channel name, I'm gonna use that lower. So in this case, all the letters will be turned into lowercase. Here we go, Tech Lingo Hub. So this is the way how you can make your string into lower or uppercase. To identify whether all the letters are lower or upper, you can use the other function is called is lower. It's lower. Then the result will be true or false. Here's the process. First, the Python will insert Tech Lingo Hub in this variable, in the variable school. Then it will convert this variable to all lowercase. Then it will check whether this thing is or lower or not. Then the result will be is true or false. So it's true because as I told you, all the letters inside Tech Lingo Hub will be converted into lower. Then the Python will check whether it is all lower or not. So let me show. Let me change this one with upper. In this case, look at this. The result is false because Python converted the letters inside tackling hub into all uppercase. So by using is lower function, you can simply identify whether all letters are whether in uppercase or in lowercase. If you want to change this one, you can use the upper function. Is upper function. So if I run this, the result will be true because these all letters will be converted to uppercase, then will be checked by this, then the result will be true. Let's run this. Here we go. Here is the result. True. So this is how you can check whether the letters inside a string are all upper or are all lowercase. The other thing in a string is that checking whether some letters or words are inside the string. So in our case, let me check T is inside the variable school. So I'm gonna type T, then T in school. So the result will be true or false. In our case, the result will be true because T already existed on the name tackling hub. Let's run this. True. What if I change this letter to like Z? Since Z is not included or is not the part of this name, so if I run this, the result will be false. So this is how you can check whether some letters or some words are found in the string. Let me change this one to word, like let me say lingo. If I run this, the result will be true. Here we go, because already the lingo is inside this variable school. So the other thing regarding a string is that identifying the length of a function. So I'm gonna use length function. As you can see, you're gonna type like length, then here's the variable. So in Python, when you count characters or when you count the length, you have to note that you're gonna count the first letter, in our case T, as 0, the next one 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So the length of this character tackling hub will be around 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's around 13. Let's run this. So here is the result. Because it will count this space too. Space is also termed as one character. If I make a double space, it will be 14. Here we go. So, or the length of this phrase, or the length of this name, or the length of this variable will be 14. It will count including the space. If you want to print individual characters or individual letters inside some string, you're gonna use like print, let me see, in our case name, then you're gonna use opening and close brackets. They're gonna use the position of the letter or the word you want to be printed. So in our case, let's say I want to print the letter J, so I'm gonna use like 0. So when I run this, it's visible that J is already printed because the position of J is 0. So let me say if I want to print 2, then it will be like H. So here is how you can print any single letter inside the string. The other thing that I want to show you regarding a string is that if you want to know the position of letters inside a string or word inside a string, you can simply use the index function. It's called, in our case, dot, then index. Then you're gonna type which letter or which word that you want to know the position. In our case, let me say O. So let's run this. 8. So if you count from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So O is the letter O is found in the 8th position. So let's say, let me print lingo, the word lingo. If I run this, it will tell me the position of this word. So it's 4 because here is 0, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. The position of the word lingo will be 4. So let me say, let me write the letter which is not included, which is not the part of this string. Let me say F. Run this, then here's the error, value error, substring not found. As you can see here, you have the error, substring not found. So you have the error. So Python is smart enough to identify which letters are inside the string or not. The other thing that I want to show you is the replace function. Let's use the variable name, dot, I will say replace. Then this replace function will have two objectives inside it. The first object will be the word or the letter that will be replaced, and the second object will be the one that we want to replace. So I'm gonna type the first letter, like let me change the name John to mean. I want to change J and O, then I have comma. As it is visible to you already, the PyCharm is suggesting me how I can use this replace function. So let's say the new will be mi. So when I run this, so it is visible to you. As you can see, the name John is converted to like mean. So this is how you can use the replace function. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you.